Hello everyone, I am just right behind the camera. I'm not going to do like a real intro to this video because I thought I'd make it pretty quick and simple, but this is an updated room tour of my new room. If you guys don't already know, I switched rooms with my little sister Christy about a month ago, and I actually went and bought all new furniture from IKEA, and she ended up with my room, which is the bigger room, and I decided to kind of downsize a little bit to a room with a smaller floor space, but I have a walk-in closet. So I'm very excited about this. I love the way my room turned out, and the pink walls, I'm kind of starting to like them as well. So the first thing you see when you walk in is this lamp, and I usually will just turn it on. It keeps my room very bright, but my room's already pretty bright when I open the blinds of my windows, and that's why I like it so much, because this room's just way brighter than my other room. And so this lamp is pretty cool. You could see me in it, but the reason I have it is because my ceiling fan light doesn't work. But yeah, so this lamp definitely makes a difference, and so you see that when you come in. Then there's my cat's food, and real quickly we'll glance over here to the litter box area that I try to keep as clean as possible. The only downside to having my cat is that because I brought him back home with me after college, my parents don't want the litter box anywhere in the house besides my room, so I keep it in here. He has this little corner. Alright, so I'll start off here. This is the desk I got from IKEA. I love it. It is perfect. I did set this one up, I think, all on my own. This is the last thing that I set up out of my furniture, and I just remember, like, I think it took me like 4 hours. You're not supposed to set up IKEA furniture on your own, but I did it. I don't know how. When I set it up, I realized there's no back to this one. So if you look back there, you can see the pink wall. But otherwise, yeah, you open it up, I have shelves in here. So on top of my desk, I just have my computer, and I also bought a desk that has one of those little holes in it, which I think is supposed to be for a desktop computer. So that's kind of like, I don't know, I don't really like the fact that that hole's there, but it could come in handy maybe someday. I have a lamp. This is from IKEA. The lampshade is not. I don't know where my mom got it. And then I have a what are these called? Himalayan salt lamp. And some cute little decor. This is a body fragrance from Bath & Body Works, and then I have a rose essential oil. And I actually have been using my desk way more than I thought I would. Underneath my desk, we have my cat's box of cat food, cat litter. So, yep, you could definitely tell I'm a cat owner when you walk in this room. Alright, so this is probably my favorite space in my room, just because for so long I've never had a real vanity, and so I bought this little desk from IKEA, and it works so well as a vanity for me, and I don't know, it fits really well in this little corner. I am sort of sad because I bought this chair. It's a wicker chair from IKEA, and I loved it, but I didn't really take time to test it out in the store, and I realized when I set it up that these arm rest thingies don't push all the way underneath, so this chair really, it takes up a little too much room since I can't push it underneath the desk like I can with that one. But I love the chair regardless, and I have my little YouTube pillow on there. Underneath there is a trash can, and then a bin full of hair supplies. So on my vanity, I just have my drawer system I've had for a few years now. I don't even know where I got it. I know it was sent to me, and so I've used that for a long time now. And then I have my YouTube play button. That's what I got when I reached 100,000 subscribers. And then I have this cool, I don't know, it's just like a jewelry organizer thing that hangs all of my choker necklaces and stuff on. And then this is just my makeup mirror. It's by Jordan. And so this is my little vanity area, and this is where I get ready every morning. And another reason I don't like these arm thingies is because I can't pull this out all the way when I'm sitting in it, so that's annoying. But anyways, there's makeup in there. I'll do an updated makeup collection at some point. Alright, so then we have my nightstand. Please excuse the fact that it just looks sort of junky, but I really didn't want to take a bunch of stuff off of it just for the sake of this video, because I really believe in showing you my real room and what it looks like. And so I have a space heater on my nightstand, and that's because I get really cold in the middle of the night, but I also have a little tiny fan back there because I like to turn that on for white noise reasons. And then I have an outlet, you know, extender thing that has a bunch of outlets in it, and so that's for charging reasons. And then I have my water bottle. And then, of course, I have my wonderful lotion from Bath & Body Works. So those are the things that I really like to keep on my nightstand. So then this little nightstand organizer is also from IKEA, and it has 2 drawers in it. And then the bottom drawer has all of my hair supplies in it. So we could just take a look here. Hair supplies in here, so that helps to kind of create a space for me to do my hair and keep all my hair stuff in there, my hair tools. Top drawer, we got a tampon, we got a journal, we got extra chargers, and a hairbrush. Where's the hairbrush? Oh, the remotes. So yeah, that's my random drawer. Now on to sort of the most interesting part of my room, which is my bed. I got a very cool bed, in my opinion, from IKEA. I wish I knew all the names of the things I got. I still have pictures on my phone somewhere that I took in IKEA. So if you guys are wondering, I could probably type those up down below. I have my bedspread, duvet cover on it, and this is, I think, from Target. And then underneath, we have 3 drawers on this side, and then I don't have enough space in my room to really turn my bed out this way so I can access the 3 drawers on that side. But there are things in the 3 drawers on that side. It's just summer stuff that's put away for the winter. So I love these drawers. They provide me so much extra storage. I have underwear, socks in here, t-shirts in there, and then my heated blanket down at the bottom one. So this little rug is from IKEA. Alex has thrown up on it twice now. It's my cat. And so I decided to go buy a new one, and this is a bigger one from Walmart. All right, then we have this little storage device. This is kind of like my entertainment system. It also holds a bunch of things because, yeah, that's why I bought it. I have things I need to store away. So we have my TV. This is actually Christy's TV. I still have my TV that's technically mine in her room. She's using that, and then I have this one right now, which I am enjoying actually because I have a Fire Stick. But yeah, here's the top of this thing. I got a candle, I got my perfumes, I got my Alexa, and then a little wax melter, and this is just for decoration. I ended up getting this for New Year's Eve and never drank it, and I think it's so cute. And then I have this situation here with the screws. So I put this together the wrong way. I put it together the right way, but I made the stupid mistake of sticking the little, I don't even know what to call them, like soft things that you stick on the screws onto the bottom, onto the 4 corners of nothing. Like the little sticky thing should have gone on these things. So then I put it together and put it in here, and I realized that, or my dad pointed it out to me, and I was like, oh shoot. So just ignore that. That was just a silly mistake because, you know, you're supposed to put IKEA furniture together with someone else, and I didn't, so I made that mistake. I have my fish tank right there, 2 organizing box thingies, literally just full of stuff that I can't even describe to you what's in there, like random stuff, so I'm not even gonna go through them. Alex has a little kind of container there on the bottom that has a bunch of his like catnip and treats and stuff in it. I thought I'd show you my window situation here. So I didn't show that either. I like to decorate by hanging things on the wall. It's a little tip. So if you guys ever want to try it out, see if you like it, hang up your denim, hang up your delicate clothing like that lace bralette, and yeah, I think it just adds like a dainty touch to the whole room. More dream catchers. I have like 3 dream catchers in here, and only one of them I think is mine. I don't even know if that's mine. It might be. And then on the back of this door, a lot of coats and bags, and then on the back of the other side is my fur jacket and a little beanie. Alright, so this light doesn't work unless I hit it, so I'm gonna do that real quick. Yay! Here is my ring light. I had nowhere else to put it, but right here works, I guess. Then I have this drawer system full of extra makeup and nail polishes. Shoes underneath there. My clothes basket underneath there. More shoes right here hanging from one of these little things. And then I try to kind of color code my closet. I don't even know if you can really tell, but it kind of goes from light to dark. Oh, there goes my light. So yeah, I have my clothing that hangs up, and then I have this pink organizer shelf thingy that has tank tops and more shoes. Now moving on over to my dresser. This dresser is also from, you guessed it, IKEA, and it has 2 small drawers here at the top and then 4 large drawers, and this has provided me so much storage space for my clothing. I still have a lot to get rid of because, I mean, these drawers are pretty packed full, but all in all, love this. I have my wine situation here on the top. I don't know why, I just think I like the way it looks. It's pretty. Yeah, that's like for decoration. There's a candle right there, but I don't light it. My jewelry box, and then there's a bunch of storage here on these top shelves. So up here we have my bathing suits, and this is my workout clothing, and here are sweatpants, and you can't really see anything, so I didn't even really want to open these drawers. In this drawer, I just have some denim, and then in here, I just have my tops that I couldn't hang up. These are like kind of like short-sleeved winter tops, if that makes sense. And then in here I have more winter items that I didn't have room to hang up. I have a full-length mirror It's this pink one right here, but I have no room for it in there really, because if I do put it in there also against the wall, the cat likes to hit his reflection in the middle of the night. So I keep it in here and I close my closet door. So here's one more quick overview of my room. It is still a work in progress. It's something you guys have to remember. Like, if you're wondering about the pink walls, I think I still want to paint them white, but honestly, like, they are bright and that's all I really care about. I do like the pink walls more than I thought I would, so they may stay longer than I originally planned. So yes, that's my room and I'm super happy with how it turned out, and I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.